Mine's got one. Has yours got one? One's got one. Two hasn't got one. Three's got one. Four's got one. Five hasn't got one. Six has got one. Seven hasn't got one. Eight hasn't got one. Nine's got one. And 10's got one. Has yours got one? Okay, you all know what this is. You all know what this is. But do you know what this is for? What's this all about? Do you know what this is for? Right, what's this for? How about that? How about that? Did you know? Did you not know? So we can water like this, or we can water like this. Okay, so it was just a short one today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, yeah, thumbs up would be nice. If you're a subscriber, thanks for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, hey, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon. Each time I put a video up, you'll get a notification. Couldn't be easier, could it? Okay, so this is Homegrown Veg, signing out.